Hello everyone! How are you today guys? Kumusta na ang lahat? Kumustang update nyo dyan guys? Kumustang Sunday nyo dyan? How's your Sunday? And happy Sunday guys. So ito tayo guys. Nag-feeling relax muna tayo dito. So feeling relaxing guys. And feel mainit tayo today guys. So sa nakikita nyo ang panahon natin guys. Ayun. We feel very hot din today guys. Mainit. So yun guys. Sa nakikita nyo. Mainit talaga tayo. So yun. We have a good weather today, guys. Sa nakikita nyo. Ayun. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day to all and everyone. Feeling mainit tayo, guys. Parang naiinitan tayo ngayon, guys, today, no? So, mainit, guys. Mainit ang panahon. So, we feel igang. I feel igang guys. Mainit. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. So, thank you so much. Ming, where are you, Ming? Ming, you come here, Ming. Si Miming doon siya guys sa ano. Naglinis-linis sa katawan niya. So, yun lang guys. Our update for today's video guys. Maraming salamat and thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. Happy Sunday everyone. And have a blessed day to all. Keep safe. See you next again. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Love you all. Bye.